98 days until GCSE Maths Paper 1. Pause the video, have a go at this question, and then we'll have a look at it together. Here are a solid cone and a solid sphere. The diameter of the cone is 8 centimetres. We could also add on that half the diameter, the radius, will be 4 centimetres. The vertical height of the cone is equal to the diameter, so the height from top to bottom will be 8 centimetres. And the surface area of the cone is equal to the surface area of the sphere. Work out the radius of the sphere. Using this diagram, we can say the surface area of the cone is equal to the surface area of the sphere. To work out the surface area of the cone, we have the area of the curved part, which is given by the formula pi times r times L, where L is the slanted length of this cone. Plus, we also have the base of the cone, which is just a circle, and the area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. This is equal to the surface area of the sphere is given by 4 pi r squared. And we know the radius of the cone, this is 4 centimetres. However, we don't know the slanted length of this cone, but we can work this out using Pythagoras. Choosing the point in the centre of our cone, we know that the height is 8 centimetres and the radius is 4 centimetres. The base and the height will be perpendicular, so this is a right angle triangle. We can see this a bit clearer on this diagram here. Pythagoras is on your formula sheet and it states that a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, where side c is always a side opposite the right angle. Then it doesn't really matter which one we label as a and b. In this case, in place of a we have 4, so this will be 4 squared, plus in place of b we have 8, so this will be 8 squared, and this is equal to c squared. Simplifying what we have on the left hand side, 4 squared plus 8 squared is a total of 80. So 80 is equal to c squared. But we don't want c squared, we just want c. And the opposite of squaring something is to square root something. So let's square root both sides. On the left hand side, root 80 we can simplify to. We can keep it as an exact value in third form, and this will be 4 root 5. And this is equal to, if we square root c squared, this just leaves us with c. And we can add this length onto our diagram. Let's substitute in all of our values. So we'll have pi multiplied by the radius of the cone, which is 4, multiplied by the slanted length of the cone, which is 4 root 5, plus pi times the radius squared. Again, the radius is 4. And this is equal to 4 times pi, multiplied by the radius of the sphere squared. This is what we want to work out. 4 times 4 root 5 will be 16 root 5. So our first term will simplify to 16 root 5 pi, plus for our next term, 4 squared, which is 4 times 4 is 16. This will be 16 pi, and that is equal to 4 pi r squared. Now we'll notice